We all know that odds of making money are pretty good in option selling, basically because of theta decay. But definitely option selling requires huge margin. On the other hand, option buying is quite efficient, doesn't require much margin, but then odds of making money are always low unless and until your direction is correct, because theta is always working against you. Now the question is, can there be a strategy which is very capital efficient? It doesn't require as much margin as like naked option selling, and theta is also in your favor. Calendar spread definitely is only such strategy where the margin amount required is pretty low. It can be done in a maximum, you can say 40,000 rupees margin. And fortunately, theta is also in your favor. And hence, it becomes a very low cost, low risk strategy. Please mind it, I am saying low risk. I am not saying no risk. So let us talk about call calendar spread today. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. On this channel, we talk about conservative option trading strategies and best possible adjustments in option strategies. You can join our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. In this community, every morning we give you pre-market report. What are calendar spreads? What kind of risk is involved? What kind of basic adjustments can be done? What kind of profits can be made? Let us discuss everything in today's video. So please stay till end, because in next 10 minutes I am going to give you very useful information. We have already done a put calendar video. If you have not seen it, you are most welcome to see that. I am giving you the link on the top right corner of this video. Today I am going to discuss about call calendars. So as the name call calendar spread suggests, we will be using only calls. We will be selling a near month call and we will be buying a far month call. Generally, if you are not a full-time trader, it is always preferable that you do a monthly calendar spread. Let me take you to Opstra, and here I am on the first day of November 2025, morning 9:30. Let us see the option chain where the calendar spread can be done. As of now, market is showing 25,800. So what I will do, I will sell 26,000, slightly out of the money. I will sell one lot of 26,000 call of November, and I will buy one lot of 26,000 call of December. In calendar spread, there is no confusion at all about the strike price of both the months. If selling is 26,000, buying also will be 26,000 of next month. If selling is 25,000, buying also will be 25,000. So no confusion in the strike. So I will buy 26,000 of 30th December. So this is the payoff diagram as it looks now. It looks like a very bullish trade, because in case market goes up, obviously the benefit will be more. It has two break-even points. On the lower side, it is 25,493, almost 25,500. This is a lower break-even point, and there is an upper break-even point which is around 26,650. So 25,500 to 26,650. So the trade is almost having a break-even points which are 1150 points away, which is a decent range. Margin required is around 40,000 rupees. It is actually less than 40,000, it's 35,000. But let us say for simpler calculations, we say margin required is 40,000 rupees. And if I want to make 3%, I need only 1,200 rupees. If I want to make 4%, I need 1,600 to 2,000 rupees are sufficient to close the trade. I have deliberately chosen this trade so that we are required to do an adjustment. And when will I do the adjustment? I will do the adjustment whenever my any break-even point is crossed. For better reach and visibility, I'll request all of you, please click on the like button. Each and every like is very precious to us, and it is your like only which motivates us to bring more videos. Let me now run the trade, and we will see in case break-even is touched, or if without touching the break-even, I am achieving my profit, I will close the trade. So next day, okay, there is a little bit of fall in the market, but again, I am making 258 rupees. Okay, next day it is coming very close to my break-even point, and I am making a loss of 926 rupees in this trade. If I now move by half an hour, so that in case break-even is touched, I should do the adjustment. At this point, the break-even is touched, and I am already losing around 1,700 rupees. So what should be the adjustment? If you see now, my selling position is giving me a profit of 6,900 and my buying position is taking away 8600 rupees. Market has gone down to around 25,536, which is below my lower break even. Here you must notice that okay, your break even points also keep on changing. So what I will do, I'll just close this trade because market has gone below my break even point. I do not want to take more risk, so I will close this trade at 121.1 and 349.2. And I will again go to option chain and I'll try to make a different trade now, which is much closer to the level of market. So I'll go to November position first and I'll see that okay, November is 25,650. What I will do, I will shift my trade to 25,700. Slightly OTM, I am still keeping it. 236 rupees, so 25,700. So from 26,000, I am shifting my trade to 25,700. In 26,000, I have lost some 1,700 rupees. So my aim is that I should recover those 1,700 rupees plus something more than that. So 25,700 December is 499 rupees. So I have purchased this. So now this is my new trade and the break even point is now shifting to a lower side. Now the new break even point is 25,330. In the previous trade it was 25,500. So I have shifted my break even point almost by 170 points. So a very simple adjustment we have done. Just we have shifted the calendar spread slightly on the lower side, 300 points. Let us now move by half an hour at a time so that to see in case market again touches my break even point. As of now, nothing has happened. Okay, 12:30, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Not much change in my status. Loss has reduced slightly. So at 3:30, I am losing 1650 and I go to now next day, 9:30. Again, I am seeing there is a almost it is touching my lower break even point. I'll say okay, let me check for another half an hour. Okay, nothing much has changed. Not much. I will allow my trade to break below the break even point, but here if I see it touched the break even point and it just now came back. So I will wait for another half an hour. It's not touching the lower break even point. So the whole day it remained in the lower range of the break even point of the trade, but I didn't touch it because we were waiting for an exact breakdown. The trade is very much within the range. So let us see what happens next day. Next day again it went up. I am losing 465 rupees. So in my previous calendar we were losing 1,700 rupees. Now I am losing 465. So that means this calendar has already given me 1,300 rupees profit. As a trader, I should not feel drained at all in shifting my trades because when you are doing the trade in the beginning of the month, market is also finding out its new range. So accordingly, you have to recalibrate your trade also. Let us see now what happens next day. Okay, market is there only. Okay, next day. Now you see, I have done an adjustment on the lower side, but now market has shifted on the upper side. I may get challenged on the upper side. If I would have maintained my previous calendar, it would have been better. But that is not the way of thinking. That is not the way of trading. You have to be with the market. Next day. Okay, now I am making 787, which is definitely around 2% of the profit. But I want 3 to 4%. Let me wait. Okay, now I am making 1252. Definitely a good point. If you have made 10 calendars, definitely 5-6 calendars should be scared off. Next day. 1102 and now I should be very cautious. It is close to my upper break even point. Upper break even point is 26,280 and market is at around 25,964. Still there is some space. Okay. Now the trade is making 2073. So even if 40,000 rupees are required to create the trade, we are 5% plus. You can say, sir, there will be some cost, some brokerage, some transaction charges. I'll say subtract that, maybe 300, 400 rupees. You're still 4% plus. That is the beauty of calendar spreads. Low margin required and profitability can be quite high. Next day. Now this trade is giving me 3198 and I leave it to you. You can calculate the percentage return. I quickly now see what happens. Market goes up 2140. Still it is giving good profit. 4,400 rupees profit. So even on 21st November it is good. Let us quickly go to expiry. if I have not done any adjustment, 3000 rupees and 5497, which is more than 10%. So although we have done a adjustment which was not in our favor, we have shifted the trade down. Had we kept the normal trade, it would have been much more profitable. But still, you never know where the market will go. So in case market would have tanked further down, original trade would have given me more loss than this trade. So we have done the adjustment according to the market. So similar kind of adjustments we will try to explain in our upcoming calendar spread workshop, which is happening on 24th of May. It is an online workshop and timings will be 6 to 9, and you all know it will not be 6 to 9, it will be 6 to 10 or 6 to 11 also, depending upon the questions of the participants. To join this workshop live, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. Anybody who has attended a previous workshop of iron butterfly or iron condor will be eligible for 25% discount. Silver member will be eligible for 10% discount. And if in case you have attended both iron butterfly as well as iron condor, so you are eligible for 25% discount on each. So that means if you are a participant who has attended both the workshops, you will be eligible for 50% discount on this calendar spread workshop. But we have kept very limited seats for 50% discount for obvious reasons. So my request is, if you are willing to join at 50% discount, all those people who are eligible should take action as quickly as possible. You can still buy our iron condor workshop recording. You can buy our iron butterfly workshop recording also. In both the workshops, we have given the framework on how to trade, how to adjust, and we have also shown you 12 months of back testing. Recording is also given to all the participants. If you take one of the recordings, obviously you are eligible for 25% discount, and if you take both the recordings, you will be eligible for 50% discount for calendar spread. But again, as I said, for commercial reasons also, we cannot give everybody 50% discount on calendar spread, so there will be limited seats for 50% discount. In case you wish to join, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. Yes, we have now new memberships. There is a silver membership where you get a lot of exclusive videos. Then you have Toss Insights. Here we give you back testings of monthly strategies, what has happened to them in the month, wherever we are showing you that we will be testing a lot of strategies and giving you the results and showing you the back test. And there is a Toss Premium membership in which we are giving videos about Toss Wealth Cycle. A lot of you have asked us to give us more details of Toss Wealth Cycle. So in that we have already created few videos. We will be adding some more videos for Toss Wealth Cycle. Plus you will be getting back testing also. So one of the ways is that, okay, you can join premium membership, see all the Toss Wealth Cycle videos once they are published, and then maybe you can go back to Toss Insights also, wherein you will regularly keep on getting the back testing videos. I'm leaving you with another interesting video on option trading strategies and adjustments. Hope you will like it. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button. All our subscribers are very, very precious to us. Thank you. See you in the next video.